Now I request our Union Tourism and Culture Minister, who has been showering abundant wishes on Andhra Pradesh. Please speak, sir. Bharat Mata Ki. This is not going to work out, my dear friends. Raise both of your hands. And now with the utter power, please shout, Bharat Mata Ki! Bharat Mata Ki! On the auspicious occasion of the laying of foundation stone of various tourism projects sanctioned under the able leadership of Honorable Prime Minister Narendra Modi Garu, on the recommendation of the able Chief Minister Nara Chandrababu Naidu Garu, and on continuous persuasion of my dear friend, Deputy Chief Minister Shri Pawan Kalyan Garu, and our State President and my fellow MP, Honorable Purundeshwari ji, today in this program on the dais, Shri Pawan Kalyan ji, Honorable Purundeshwari ji, Minister of Tourism, Honorable Shri Durgesh ji, Minister in charge and Minister of Jal Shakti, my former department, Nimala Ramanaidu Garu, fellow member of Legislative Assembly, dear party officials, ladies and gentlemen. Today, at this, on the banks of river Godavari, it's my great privilege to stand before you in the historic city of Rajamundry on the banks of this sacred river on Pushkar Ghat. It's a moment of pride and purpose as I stand before you to share a story. The story of India's tourism, the story of India's tourism transformation, the story of tourism potential in our country. Dear friend, a story where culture meets commerce, heritage meets hospitality, and spirituality meets sustainability. Under the bold and transformative leadership of Honorable Prime Minister Narendra Modi Garu, and under the regime of this double-engine government in state of Andhra Pradesh, tourism in India has moved from being a sector of potential to a pillar of progress. Dear friends, in 2023, tourism contributed 10% in global economy. But if we look towards India, it contributes only 6% in the country's economy. And the momentum is only accelerating and continuously picking up. With over 3 billion domestic visitors and nearly 20 million international arrivals expected in this year, India is fast becoming one of the world's most sought-after destinations. Our efforts have borne fruits on the global stage. Dear friends, India has moved up from the 54th to 39th position on the World Economic Forum's Travel and Tourism Development Index within just 3 years. Today, India proudly ranks among the top 10 countries of cultural, natural, and non-leisure tourism assets. Dear friends, from the snow-laden Himalayas to sun-kissed beaches, from yoga retreats to Sufi shrines, From medical tourism to adventure trails, India offers a complete tourism ecosystem. It is the diversity that forms the core of our tourism industry. The version of Modi government and vision of Honorable Prime Minister Narendra Modi ji is holistic, inclusive and future ready. Through flagship schemes such as Swadesh Darshan, Prasad, Saski and CBDD, we are reshaping India's tourism landscape. In Andhra Pradesh also, under the double-engine Sarkar regime, this vision has come alive in extraordinary ways. In this recent past of 1 year, under the leadership of Tourism Minister Durgesh ji, and with continuous persuasion, as I said, by Honorable Deputy Chief Minister Pawan Kalyan ji and Honorable MP Sahiba Purandeshwari Garu, the tourism have picked up, and Ministry of Tourism, Government of